What's up Xiaomi fans, Christian here. Welcome back to All About Me. Just last Thursday, Xiaomi has announced the Redmi Note 10 series, which has 4 variants. And what I have here is a Redmi Note 10 Pro, which is the top of the line of the Redmi Note series. I'll be doing an unboxing and first impression of this phone, so stick around, let's go! What I have here is the Redmi Note 10 Pro Onyx Gray, which has 6GB RAM and 128GB memory. Inside the box we have the SIM ejector pin, user manual, and the soft back cover. And below that we have the phone. It also comes with a 33W charger and a Type-C cable. So now let's take a closer look to this phone's exterior. Starting from the back, we have the 3D curved glass, which is a little bit reflective and looks like would have a lot of fingerprint smudges. Camera panel looks like the Mi 10T Pro, except that this phone has 4 rear cameras. Looking at the top, we have the 3.5mm jack, a speaker, a microphone, and the IR blaster. At the side, we have the volume buttons and the power button, also the fingerprint sensor. And the fingerprint sensor is slightly lower compared to the Redmi Note 9 Pro, which makes it more convenient to unlock, and the button is slightly curved. As far as I can remember, most of the phones that I reviewed with a fingerprint sensor on the side has a flat button. I do like the feel of this curved button. And at the bottom we have the microphone, Type-C port, and the speaker. At the other side we have the SIM tray, which supports dual SIM plus a micro SD slot. The Redmi Note 10 Pro is only 4G, but probably some will call it a drawback as we have more budget phones that are 5G capable. And this Redmi Note 10 Pro is already preloaded with the MIUI 12 and also Android 11. And moving along to its screen, many will be happy as this budget phone comes with a 6.7 inches AMOLED dot screen display. So now we'll have deep blacks and more energy efficient screen on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. And not only that, it comes with a high refresh rate of 120Hz and touch sampling rate of 240Hz. And looking at the front camera, the dot is smaller than the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and it looks cleaner as well. And one of the key features of this phone is the 108 megapixel camera main shooter, and it also comes with an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle with a field of view of 118 degrees, 5 megapixel telemacro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. And the front camera is a 16 megapixel and has been preloaded with some fun camera features like video clones, dual video, shoot steady, pro time-lapse video, telemacro time-lapse video, and a video macro mode, which I'll be showing you on my full review. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit on that bell notification icon. And as always, the Redmi Note series has the best mid-ranger phone with an amazing performance, equipped with a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G and 8nm processing technology, and a Qualcomm Adreno 618 GPU. So watch out for my full review, but if you do have questions, you can drop the comments below. I'll try to answer them on my upcoming videos. And the Redmi Note 10 Pro has a long battery life with a 5020 mAh and I would say battery life of up to 2 days with normal use. On paper, using the 33W fast charger, 59% charge in just 30 minutes. This phone specs is so heavy that you kind of doubt that this is only a mid-range phone. And to add, it has dual speakers with high resolution audio. And it does not end there. The Redmi Note 10 Pro has an IP rating of IP53, which is splash resistant. It is NFC capable and a dual SIM plus micro memory card up to 512GB. I haven't fully tested this phone, but make sure you're subscribed because I'll be releasing the full review video. It starts at $299 and you can check the description below for an online early bird price. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Christian from All About Me, and I'll see you on the next one.